Never seen such an awesome little boy. He takes an octopus out of the bottle. Just hang the fish hook, and the octopus sucked his arm. But the little boy didn't care much, ripped him off and threw him into the sea. And that's what he does. The fish you catch will definitely surprise you. If you don't believe me, let's look down. Put the fishing line behind the bottom. He seriously felt the movement on the fishing line. In less than 5 minutes, he had a big cash withdrawal. Then alternate hands to quickly recycle the line. Unexpectedly, the first fishing fire was ushered in so soon. I don't know what kind of fish it will be. As the fishing line is retracted, a 2-catty fish was also dragged up. This is a valuable outdoor. Father quickly opened the valve and let in fresh seawater. Let the fish live first to sell at a good price. Keep a low profile and get a good product. The little boy is confident. And an octopus out of the bottle. Hooked. Drop the second car. What surprises can this fishing bring us? It may be that the hat affects the operation. He just took it off. Haven't waited 2 minutes. There are fish biting. After the line slips away. Dragged on another 2-catty slate. Harvest of valuable goods in less than 10 minutes. I thought such a resource would be good. Never thought. This is just today's sea fishing qualifying. Then he hung the fish again. Dropped the third catch. This fishing didn't wait too long. He brought up the fish again. And the fishing line is a little laborious. This must be a big deal. Retracted a piece of fishing line. Sure enough, it's a big deal. This grouper weighs at least 3 or 4 catties. I checked online. Wild grouper can be sold for 121 catties in China. This one will cure hundreds. It's getting better and better. He struck while the iron was hot again. Article 4. As soon as the fishing line reaches the end, there is a door. After his 5-minute tug of war. Drag up a big log. But he couldn't be happy. Because it's a samurai. This fish is protected locally. I had to take the hook off and put it back in the sea. I didn't expect to release this big samui, but it brought him good luck. This 5th key has brought on another big guy. He's still fighting. He was directly brought up by the little boy. This one's bigger. Look at this body shape, at least 5 or 6 catties. The little boy is a happy partner cage. At this time, there are 4 fish in the cabin. And all 4 are valuable failures. And the little boy didn't stop. Because there's a lot of bait out there. Just as he dropped the 6th fish, the sky turned dark. It's going to rain soon. Fortunately, this fishing, there were fish bites before the rain came. And dragged it up smoothly. This is another 5 or 6 catties of big stones. Such a great resource. Just ask if you are envious. If you keep fishing, you will definitely get rich. But the big fish are coming. He has no choice but to stop. With these fish, enough to make him a fortune.